Hey guys, Kevin Shaw here, editor-in-chief of Mopar Connection Magazine. We're back in the home garage with a brand new toy. We've actually been pretty excited about this for a while, and it just came in from Summit Racing, and it is our Allstar Performance Ultrasonic Cleaner. We've seen these online, we've seen them in some YouTube videos, and we had to go out and get one. So we're really thankful for the guys at Summit Racing for hooking us up with a brand new 5-gallon ultrasonic cleaner. We're going to show you a little bit about how it works, how to set yours up, and some before and after results in using our brand new ultrasonic cleaner. So what is ultrasonic cleaning, and why do you even want one of these? Well, according to Allstar, quote, ultrasonic cleaning is based on the cavitation effect caused by high-frequency ultrasonic wave vibration signals in the fluid. Microscopic bubbles are formed and they implode violently, causing the cavitation, which create an intense scrubbing action on the surface of the item being cleansed. The bubbles are small enough to penetrate microscopic crevices, cleaning them thoroughly and consistently. What this in turn means is that while you might be able to sit there with a solvent and a wire brush and scrub furiously, you're not going to be able to penetrate the surface of that material as good as the ultrasonic process. We've kind of leapfrogged that step and just thrown some dirty old parts into our ultrasonic cleaner just to see what it does. But for you and in the day-to-day use of your ultrasonic cleaner, you're definitely going to want to knock off the big grease and grime and do a good job cleaning it before putting it in here. We're looking at this a little bit like deep frying a turkey, where you don't want to overfill the tank. Rather, you just want to get above the turkey or above our parts. So we're going to take our solution, pour it in. Now this is concentrated, so we might want to dilute it a little bit with water just so that we can get above where our products are. Now, just for fun, we're taking an old 440 balancer that we had sitting in the tub. We're going to lower it into the solution. Okay, so we're obviously not above it, so we're going to fill it up a little bit with water as well. But we've got this timing gear we're going to put in as well. So let's get a little bit of water just so we get above the fill line, and we're going to turn this on. And this gets our solution mixed about 50-50. We're not pure concentrate, we're actually 50% concentrate, 50% water, and we're ready to go. Operating the ultrasonic cleaner is actually really simple. You simply turn on the switch on the back. You're going to hear it fire up. Now this is all in Celsius. We're not going to be in Fahrenheit here. So this is the default set at 40 degrees Celsius. This is zeroed out. So when we turn this on, now it's telling us what the actual temperature is inside of the tank. All right, that is the temperature of our cleaning solution. Now this is going to be how long we're going to keep it in the tank and have it running. Okay, so let's take a look at how we did. Really not that hot, and the cleaner that we use is pretty mild. But you can already tell it's knocked a lot of that corrosion off. It's knocked all the grease off. We just give it a little bit of a wipe just by hand, and our timing gear looks beautiful. Let's take a look at the balancer. Oh, look at that. You couldn't even see the original Chrysler blue on it before. Man, that looks awesome. Now you can see a little bit of the rubber dampener seal here, and it hasn't been injured. It hasn't extracted any of the oils out of it. That looks fantastic. Man, that looks great. I'm really happy with that. Now, Allstar suggests a variety of ultrasonic cleaning solvents. For today, we're using a pretty basic all-purpose cleaner that we've cut 50-50. For future projects, we want to use something a little bit more aggressive. Now, according to Allstar, we definitely don't want to use anything flammable as we're dealing with high heat. But for future projects, we definitely want to have something a little bit more aggressive that'll be able to knock off some of the paint and some of the heavier grime from our parts that we want to clean. Now we can just empty our tank and return all of our solvent back into our bucket. So again, we're really excited with the results that we got from our Allstar Ultrasonic cleaner. We really think they made a night and day difference just with the junky old parts that we had sitting on the shelf. If you guys are interested in learning more about the Allstar Ultrasonic cleaner, definitely go over to summitracing.com. There's lots of different sizes available. We went with the big 5-gallon. Some of you guys might not need something that big, so there is some smaller options available. So again, go to summitracing.com and you can get yours in just a couple days. And guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and maybe share it with your friends to help us grow the channel. And if you want more awesome Mopar content, please go over to moparconnectionmagazine.com, where new articles are published every single day, Monday through Friday, entirely subscription free to you.